In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use the Magic Eraser feature in Canva to effectively edit an image. Whether you're sprucing up a presentation or just fine-tuning a design, knowing how to clean up images can be a real game changer. Before we begin, make sure you're logged into your Canva account and have your project open. First, you'll want to navigate to the specific Canva document you're working with. This is your starting point and where all the magic will happen. If you haven't already opened it, just go ahead and do so now. This ensures that you have everything set up and ready to proceed smoothly. Next, take a look at the image you want to edit within your document. Click on it to select the photo and then look for the Edit button that's typically situated around the top area of your interface. Clicking Edit will open up various options for modifying your image. Keep in mind this step is all about zeroing in on the image you intend to transform, so make sure it's the right one you've selected. Once you've entered the editing mode, turn your attention to the Magic Studio section. Here you'll find a feature called the Magic Eraser. This tool is particularly useful for fine-tuning and cleaning up images. Within the Magic Eraser options, you're presented with several choices: brush, click, foreground, or text. For our purpose today, we're going to work with the text option. Switching to the text eraser allows you to immediately identify and highlight any text present in your image, turning them violet for easy visibility. This automatic highlighting simplifies the process, ensuring that no text goes unnoticed. Once the text in your image appears highlighted, all you need to do is click on it. With a simple click, select the Erase option and watch as the unwanted text vanishes from your design. This process is incredibly intuitive and efficient, saving you time and effort in removing elements you don't need. It's a straightforward process, but if you're doing it for the first time, don't rush. Take a moment to understand what part of the image will change as you click and erase. And just like that, you're done. Your image is now free from any unwanted text elements, giving it a sleeker and more polished look. Relying on these steps not only helps you refine your projects, but also enhances your creative control over your designs. Remember, with every edit, your confidence in using these tools grows, and you'll be able to tackle more complex edits with ease. Thank you for watching, and I hope you found this tutorial helpful. Happy designing, and see you in the next video.